Dr. Maya Angelou faced many struggles starting at a very early age, but persevered using strength, resilience, and her voice. For those of us like her that have lived through extreme and impossible life challenges, even disparaged, facing no other recourse or relief, the words we sing, write, and speak help to remind us to live and love, give us strength and resilience, provide therapy and relief, like a soothing, medicinal salve to our aching, unseen inner wounds. It's in the most trying times that we endure that attempts to hold us captive by all physical means. But singing releases all the constraints of our cages and chains, giving our souls a tangible voice, and allows our minds to fly, thrive, and live free. So we know why the caged bird sings. Because singing is more than mere feeling. Singing relieves the agony of our burying our inner untold stories. Dream a greater dream and hope for a better tomorrow.